Welcome. In this video, I'm going to show you how to archive a group on WhatsApp with the updated method. Archiving a group helps keep your WhatsApp chat list organized by hiding less active or important groups, but without deleting them. It's a great way to declutter your screen and focus on what matters most. Let's get started. Here are the simple steps to archive a group on WhatsApp. 1. First, open WhatsApp on your Android device, locate the WhatsApp icon, and tap to open the app. This takes you to your main chat screen. 2. Next, find the group chat that you wish to archive. Once you've found it, long press on the group. Hold your finger on the group chat until a small green tick appears next to the user picture, indicating that the group has been selected. 3. Finally, look for the archive button at the top of the screen. It looks like a box with a downward arrow. Tap on the archive button to move the group chat to the archive chat section, keeping it out of your main chat list. That's it. You've successfully archived a group on WhatsApp. This process helps you maintain a clean and organized chat list, making it easier to find the conversations you need. A few important things to note about archiving chats. Archiving a chat doesn't delete the chat or back it up. It simply hides it from your main chat list. Archived individual or group chats will stay archived even when you receive a new message from that individual or group chat. This means you won't receive notifications for archived chats unless you're mentioned or replied to. If you want to access your archived chats, scroll to the top of the Chats tab and tap Archived. Here, you can view all your archived chats and unarchive them if you wish. By following these straightforward steps, you can efficiently archive groups on WhatsApp and declutter your chat list. Thanks for watching, and enjoy organizing your WhatsApp groups with these simple steps.